Hazrat Abu Idris states that the Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu said, I along with a group of people took an oath of allegiance to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, I take a pledge of allegiance from you on that you will not associate any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, will not commit larceny, will not kill your progeny, will not calumniate any person, forging it between your hands and feet, and will not disobey me in performing anything good. Whosoever among you fulfills this pledge, his reward will be with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Whoso commits any sinful act and gets caught punished in this world, that punishment will be an expiation from him and purity for him. And whoso has been screened by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, his matter is up to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whether He Jalla Jalaluhu may chastise him or pardon him. Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi says, when a thief repents after committing theft, then his hand has been cut off. His witness will be accepted. Moreover, it is same with those on whom prescribed punishments have been inflicted. If they repent, their witness will be approved. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6801.